Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my Learn Easy Maths channel. Friends, as you know that this week is going on the series of Heron's formula. My previous video I have just discussed with you and also solved some of the problem based on some important competencies like reasoning and high order thinking skill. I have solved the problems. Today also I have taken one more important problem, which is as usual the high thinking skill and also the reasoning based problem. Here you can see that there is a kite whose shape is in a square. A kite is in the shape of a square, okay, and its sides are not given. The sides of the kite is not given, but its diagonals are given. That is, each diagonal is 32 centimeter. The diagonal of the kite is 32 centimeter. As you know that the basic properties of the square, all sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, and each angle of the square is 90 degree. The diagonal bisect at right angles to each other. With that one, we will just find the area of this square shaped kite and also the area of its base, which is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. This is a kite and it is the base. So we have to find what is the area of this kite, which is in a square shape, and what is the area of the base, which is in a isosceles triangle. First, how to find the area of the kite? Though actually it is based on the Heron's formula, but the thing is that if we apply the Heron's, here it gives to complexity. Why? Because see, we are given with the sides 32. Alright, 32 means, as we know that the diagonals of square bisect each other at right angles, isn't it? 32 means this, suppose it is O, this is 16, 16, 16, 16, then it will be the two sides are equal, and a square is divided into four congruent triangles by its two diagonals. But what about the third side? We are helpless and we are unable to have the third side. Even if we have the third side, it will be somehow some roots, some irrational values we are going to get it. So in order to avoid these complexity, in order to avoid this complication, we will find directly the area of the kite, which is in the shape of a square. How to find the area of the kite? Find the area of the square. Children, students, attention please. Find the area of the square. Already it is given that kite is in the shape of a square. But in order to find the area of the square, we need to have the sides. Area of the square is side into side. Just I told you that we are not given with the sides, we are given with the diagonals. Can you think about it? What is to be done? That's why I told that this problem is based on the high order thinking skill and reasoning based. Think that when you learn the quadrilateral and its some special quadrilaterals property, among those properties you get that every square is a rhombus. All rhombus are not a square. Understand? Every square is also a rhombus. Every square is also a parallelogram. But all rhombus and squares, all rhombus and parallelograms are not a square. Having that property, we will find the area of the square using the area of the rhombus. Okay, what is the area of the rhombus? No, area of the rhombus, is half into product of its two diagonal d1 into d2, half into d1 into d2. As we know that the diagonals are given, and you may be little bit of confused that I said you that all rhombus are not square. Every square is a rhombus. There is little bit slight difference between the rhombus and square. Pay attention. In rhombus, the diagonals are different. D1 is not equal to D2, but in square, diagonals are same. D1 is equal to D2. So, okay. We will take here that area of the rhombus ABCD, which is also a square, half into, the two diagonals are equal, 32 into 32. Then 2 ones are 2 16s, isn't it? So which is equal to 512 square centimeter. The area of the kite ABCD, which is in shape of a square, is 532 square centimeter. How it is? 2 ones are 2 16s, 16 twos are 32, 3 carry, 16 threes are 48 plus 3, 51, 512 square centimeter. Now we have to take this. A base of the kite is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. Now you can apply as usual that our Heron's formula. What is A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 6. Perimeter is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 20. Semi-perimeter is P by 2, which is equal to 20 by 2 is 2 ones, 2 tens. Alright. Now apply it. Area is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus V and S minus C. Alright, which is equal to, what is semi-perimeter? It is 10. 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8 and again it is 10 minus 6. Because it is an isosceles triangle, obviously, inevitably, it gets the two sides equal. Now it is 10 into, look at the board carefully, 10 into 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2, 10 minus 6 is again it is a 4. Okay. Now I told you my every video that whenever you are dealing or just solving the problems of Heron's formula, you first thing, the first priority to be given is under root. No, you have to convert the given number into, or split the given number into a perfect square. Are you all following? Now how to convert it? See that one here, 4 we have, okay, it is already split into a perfect square. 10 can be taken as 5 into 2. Okay, this is 5 into 2, 4 into 2 into 4. Alright, which is equal to, make the pair. 5 is in single, we cannot pair it. 2 square, 4 square root. Then these 2 get cancelled. Square root of 2 square is 2, square root of 4 square is 4. Under root it is 5. 2 4s are 8. 8 root 5. 8 root 5. So this is the area of our isosceles triangle, that is the base of the kite. The total area we can write, total area is equal to area of square plus area of isosceles triangle. That is equal to, how much it is? The area of the square is 512 plus 8 root 5 square centimeter. This is the way that we can just solve it in a very easy, lucid and understandable manner. Friends, my dear students, yes, once again appeal to you, please increase your watch hour and get the time. If you are not free, I hope and I understand that you will be busy with your homework, assignments, everything. Don't you get the time on Sunday? This is a appeal to the students and my all colleagues, and my friends. You will get the time now. See, I put my video just to make you aware and just to inform you that this video is being already uploaded. You just do not just see the status and you stop yourself there. After seeing the status, you explore the video, watch it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.